How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1972 Chevy Cheyenne C10 454. It's a short box done in turquoise and white. Super nice truck. It's had a recent restoration. Bumpers, grill surround, all that look real nice. All the glass is real nice in the truck. Truck's nice and straight down the sides. It's got all the original side trim. It's all in good condition. It's got a 2.4 drop. Drop spindles in the front, rear coils. Got a nice tonneau cover on it. The rear bumper, all the rear trim looks real nice on it. Again, this is a 454. I believe it's a 73 454. It's got your factory air, power steering, power disc brakes. Got nice aluminum intake and holly carb. Heavy duty aluminum radiator. Air does blow cold. It's got a set of headers into 2.5-inch duals out the back. So the doors are nice and clean. Tell you, I really like the interior in the truck with the Houndstooth. Got the deluxe headliner and everything. It's got tilt wheel, factory. Jams all look good. All inside the bed looks nice. They did a carpet mat. I really like the Houndstooth interior. Tilt wheels real nice in these trucks, pretty rare. Fires right up. Tell you, just a super cool truck. I tell you, the color, the turquoise and the white on this truck, very nice. Truck drives out beautiful. They did the 2-inch drop spindles in the front. They did it the right way. Backup lights, everything on it work. Tell you, it's a real nice little truck. Get in, drive it anywhere you want to go. It's got a 700R overdrive trans in it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. We got our new location open now. Again, that's rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.